Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this smartphone. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now choose System and click on Gestures. Following that, tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using gesture navigation, tap on this switcher next to use one-handed mode. Then scroll down and click on Pull Screen into Reach over here. Then you need to follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of your screen. So now, when I go back and do that, okay, maybe like that. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this gray area or swipe up. If you are using trickiest navigation though, I just need to change mine real quick. You need to go back into exactly the same settings, but this time scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. To use one-handed mode now, you need to choose OK, go back and click on the shortcut on the side of your screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to disable it, you need to go back into the same settings and tap on those two switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!